National Blekumanov over 20 years. Yahu MP Sako, MP Saba, MP Sako, MP Saba. It is the first time I hear who Honorable Bia Yenuanum Niyema Ewi School Mbabeko SS. For the first time, or each and every student, over 300 students, and then Obia Enya chop box, Obia Enya mattress, Enya exercise books. It is the first time.
This is well so Kenya Malano. I'm an SGA. Send your better home one up anymore. Or the grade Papa Beba. No what to Ashako University. Yeah, Papa John Mahama. I say your boss will move here. Second SS now. Free university air train into a bayer and home. No, she had the no, the papa be free. Am I?
Sebio, yet to about 2024. No, now in some Kakraba, but not fish due to the election. Yeah, for the past 8 months, now the college no more parliament. Never have no fear or call for rerun and I don't know win here. It's Ushemwa, just some 2 months, 3 months spent on all their parliament. It's 3 months in body now or Kaya for Nanka, and there's a bed there, Bruce. It's mess up one of no Biana Kumapa. Now, I've not been the Obama, Pia, on Jimu Cronia, this on your people, on your CPP, on your Piaronco. Now, or Yamagana for any Abimano phone now.
Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, what starts this program? You better make sure say we can only grow from strength to strength. And then, more numbers are here. Next year, I want to assure you that we have to double the number. We are setting a standard that anybody who will come after Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, you have no cause than to follow the standard.
And then Mobasha Nipa Bahano Bebre, Timia Buamofra over 300. And some of Muhiano, Omobro, thousands. And Mestre, so be and I'm sa when you so and I saw share with Fidieswa. Obet me about Besoya Snibi. Naya Diabua and Mofrano. It's on some Yagana Ba, Ayabua, or Mabua, or Mino, and the constituency. So.
Therefore, at the party we see near our PMO, Ewurabena constituency. Now, Ube PMO has a year. A year one about Ewurabena Aubynn, or no, the general Muslim should be need the man for one more Ewurabena constituency. Now, Siciano, I dare say, and for that one which be surrender that woman passing our more SS no. Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, after the astronomer so any. Wabo mode amount kwano mo mattress any exercise book and afeso so no trunk and kwano ni beko school na o share sibia enkoda no bia ogina obi anya ne de ene na obi a egina ne de ho kama agese efe no na abusianfo sisi ade yakoso e wa ha eno no aha ya de pa TV mebo mode na me ne awofo ne enkoda ne bi atotwe nkomo na mabisa wo mo se na omo expect say sa na ebeba ana say nei aye wo mo wa pa say Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn I this ejuma no e dey ama for our bo Ewurabena constituency.
Ye nchekwa ye besa tu yensa afre ye mami ye ankasa ye Honorable Bako Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn oni student no ni awufo no benya kasa kakra Yefan Sembo Enshia Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn.
Hello. Yo, I'm saying No. Yedi Jumadie Ebe ye ni wamba na bele. I'm afraid we are coming from schools across the constituency. Maybe a McCarthy school, maybe the Anglican cluster of schools, Kashiman, maybe the Roman, Odoko, schools that were Ewurabena North, and Ma, Lugona, Namumu, Ewahano. And you know, we want to strengthen the foundation of the human capital in this constituency. Abraham may go around and meet your mom, cry no. be some young person, we are. Where's my soldier? Where's my mechanical engineer, my lawyer? In now, let me have them one a year, your support. And I am ready as a member of parliament with the support of your parents and teachers to do that. Send your mayor that my heart's desire has always been said. And for fraud to many years under my leadership. And you know, we're glad here. It's a moment time, my young. Now you're doing the cassette, you're touching mine, if you have your man off, you will say your mofrano and say, Nemo, on the China, on the Mababina, constituency. But before when there's that education sector for Abba, and no Papa, Mamma, so no much less to say. Teacher, Ejuma, and I said teaching, and I said education. In fact, they are passionate about it. And you know, it is my singular honor to appreciate our educators in our North constituency. No matter how also say, yes, John of Frano, yes, Dial one, yes, John of Frano, as so. Send a better one, so my bed, and that Tom, we have no way to be a shop of Frano here. I'm sure we are.
And then you should hear what I say. I break my nose for a BSc. And I really died.
My child was 18 years, but moving beside that. It's the first time I met. But say the way you should see, I don't know, but this is the first time I met. When I boy up now, I hear the day. When you saw, when you then you do your cattle, my also your cattle, you will be the diet and many also. Then I say what my side I now expect to be saying, say, you have now been what to a mamma, now we did like this last week, Yana. My information says save a person.
My minute, baby boy. Hello, big boy. So, who should you want to put now that Yama with the idea of it? I got you some done. I mean, sure, on in a good saying, no money point. We are doing okay. Expectation now, what do you call school? What to say?
Oh, yes, Christo Demo, and I'm Yabon by Amen.
Some government education.
For that,
go by your pussy and the right.
Yes, hello,
I tell more about the party.
Okay.
And they will share a dear one about Ewurabena Aubynn. I hear what with my no for us here. ABS and I win the first time.
Win the first time. Me who be that? Win the first time.
And they are will say.
Oh, eh? Why are they? You be an Indian, sir. Why are they?
Nana, who expect to say, I bring my no more to about the ama on a boy Ewurabena Aubynn. Be say a bit me as you would have.
Oh, what's a busy dancy now? Me who be that? What my senti? Any CD? I mean, what my say?
Today, that's an abe catcher when I work.
Oh, I'm sure. To be a witness can feel now put on some woman. Next year, which means young pussy.
Might say, may that so big boy. Say, what to say? Ushe Enema, on a boy Ewurabena Aubynn, Yama with Nena, Diana Becca. We are school. Expectation of the school ASA. We expected day OSS. Expecting to perform better. You learn hand. You remove. Mother the Mokawai. Hello. I'm more of a family. When I a big girl now, because no.
Charlie.
Eddie Ma, on a boy, Eddie Ma, when he's
Islamic prayer.
oh, yeah, when you know, we be our big man of us. When you when we be our big man of say. One of the say, our big man of now when you're a school only child. Why you see and you? Bye bye.
And I am that I am sure. Say that I am the get it. And I'm not why I dear papa. And they did say, oh, young for the abandoned shop. Papa, 15 years. Oh, so that's why you are my wife. You will be done. You are not so that. You are really a man, so I am my here. And now you come at them. Yeah, this will be a free so. Yeah, about one. And the other the other boy at the woman. What the Yamayan. And the Yasadaka see any Yamishra. Emma on up. My dear papa.
It's mommy, you shanking in near Baya or near Baya. Obane because
Maybe this is when so ever Kenya I'm an issue. Send your bay own one up when you want or degrade the papa beba. No what to Ashako University. Yeah, papa John Mahama. I say your boss will move second SS now. Free university air train into a bay and home. No issue idea. No idea the papa be free. Am I?
My shady. Come up, I say, you're a gentleman, Mahama Pensi, a man for a school, Nayabasa, and Colan may be a model market to near the Adeno, and I'll come near more on a know they cry at St. Amajo Mahama was on sanity.
I'm a boy, I am true, and no mood. Papa no about so now, 1 year for, against the phone, which then was Abrano. I'm a boy. As I say, I'm here for 4 times or cry, for 4 times, and then I'm back at home. Say, Yan Cobano. I feel the computer and about from. Say, Yan Cobano. Yeah, man, I'm way trying, you know, when you're school, never yes, and you feel, and the young one was happy, yes, sir. And you know, Papa, dear, young Indy. I said, the end when you know, or the man up. My mamma, I want to you.
Now, Bano in your school.
Lebanonia Tepcos.
I take me that. So,
also made us.
I'm a member of parliament. I'm a fan of San Senior. Senior Michelle, was a almost a mission. I'm how a yummy how. Sabine and Yakasaka and Nemo. The Monsieur, a mebois. Not yet to me any na dapo. And then Mopasha Nipa Bahan Bebre, Timia Buamofra over 300. And some more here, no, bro, thousands. And Mestre, so be and I'm sa when you so and I saw share with you. So, obey me about Besoya Snippy. Naya diabua and Mofrano. It's on some na Yagana, Ayabua, or my Bebua, or minor, and the constituency. So, I'm also hoping, sir, I feel say no. A bit me at them near to me, I no do na aso I will for any baby as so. And you know, program media. So we will be a wab look man off now in the Ewurabena Aubynn Foundation, and yet before Nemo is taking another dimension, all towards the cause of education and supporting parents in the constituency. Yes.
The last change the life.
Oh, so what? Yeah, Ewurabena education say yeah. No quarry here as a film na ushe records mu ana say results ko e ba ya nanka ye mmofra no they could have done better eto sini kakra na mum wontumi blame educators no bebre na wontumi blame mmofra no so bebre ye na ye stakeholders. I am an educationist by profession. Na intimate education ase. Empempi no ya na the movie and say to me categories in say brilliant but needy students. I don't look at it that way because as an educationist I know say abofrebia bloom at different times. Intermediate once there is a need somewhere now, we feel say abofrebia must be given an opportunity. We are here to contribute our quota to the cost of education in Ablekuma North Municipality. Me person under my leadership and I say with my involvement, Obia who say Ewurabena Aubynn also contributing in their education are improved because to me a resource the education in the municipality. Bema reduces social vices no do na our constituency. Na media near yemi anwa akra ne say yeah boa na mofra yakọ school no maka kire mo na ma show mo kwan say mo kọ no say be anye school fees na mo kọ akọ 20 mo nko focus na mo nye ne wo say yen so parents yete a ye be ye proud na mo wie nso a at the tertiary level no so no man pani aso mo say obehwe emofra tuition. So they have no reason to fail at all. Ye say obey studios, obey focus, obey diligent. Now we SHS, uko university and who can buy nafa. Tabofran, you have no reason to fail. It as member of parliament, I'll be going through the journey with them. I'll be monitoring their academics because I believe in monitoring and evaluation. Now you say so bound for swan. We are going to strengthen the guidance and counseling unit in the constituency. And mofra pi issues are say guidance. So even in terms of their career path and choices. Until our engaged municipal directorate in terms of education. Now you show how best that we can boost that area. So they addressing issues about education holistically and not just with items and access support, but all facets of it. We are hoping to cater for that.
But the breakdown of items now.
Oh, items, be books, be mattresses, be trunks, be sika, and be Niaman kakranka, be so fine. These are some of the things we have given.
Mr. Mankwa, me offer was saying this cabane de awie project no. Eso de bia me offer sika ma ne wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chine say won call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no. Anase mpo obetimi atosusu nkakra. Enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no. No anse wa send sika na ba Ghana. Anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ya yusu sika e wo wallet no no. Tie.
And you said to say you use momo Ghana hey no.
Sa pepe. Se si tap send that trena shim. Kopium go United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap sender now.
Papa no. Let me say, mobile no, more better testimonies from the education director of Ablekumanov. Mati testimony from the municipal assembly. The Omoye Juma or Ablekumanov over the years. They are almost can say this event are AC and then being see what Ablekumanov that. Meanwhile, you are not MPs upon MPs upon MPs. So the assurance we are giving the people of Ablekumanov say, Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, what starts this program? You better make sure say we can only grow from strength to strength. And then one who numbers are here. Next year, I want to assure you that we have to double the number. We are setting a standard that anybody who will come after Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, you have no cause than to follow the standard. So as MC, I'm so happy. I congratulate my member of parliament, and I want to encourage her to give. You see, it is who she is as a mother. The Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, even before Obeye MP, she has been doing it. But no power abekano among responsibilities no adults. So yeah, bonfire yenkai mami Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn war in Paibomu so that Namisu Ebeshrano now on me more Emma Ablekumanov. I know the areas of infrastructure. I want to assure you say common fund ayabano with earmark says you see 5 more additional schools already existing ones. No, we call the Akuman school. There were JHS. It's only the Akuman JHS. You say for primary and count so that a primary JHS. We call your school to say Darul Addis. Only from class 1 to 6. You say for kindergarten and count and more. We call 13, 4 and 5. Nina Eka. Niyama ye na yemfa improve education ewa Ablekumanov. So these are good times for all of us. E bon pa ese nyame ebeboaye na yentimi enye adwuma for Mother Ghana.
Honorable mama akaba ene ye hwede ye kwase hase ye de amanfo a wo ewa hase ye edi komo amebi ka se ebi si wo hada omunye bibi sei da wo hwa ade a Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn eye ewa hase na ebe so ha ya na se bi beto
David okay ne edi ka mecha mo ahwefo no matifo na Medin the Honorable Ishibakwa, the Odoko Assembly member, at the same time the Deputy Communication Officer, NDC. Now I'm saying, Miteo Kasemwa, Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, why Davy, I said, baby, see what we got off. Now, you're trying to see the HM now, Mesha saying, Kualanu Kosku, Yama, Memo, Yapakon, and Yan Nina, no Munyan simple, sir. This is a man, Dumna, Honorable MP, Ablekumanov, Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn. What me I can say, oh, Kakra Woni, Chobos, no Mumpa Medaso, Nibus Kakra, Wodi Pion, which you could school, a there fair see that.
Okay, yes, Honorable. Once I see, I know Nipa 300 so far, I see Nipa 300 now, was a copy. Obi-Wan Chobeka say, when you beat this, any Pacono, then I'm back.
Oshemwa, specifically, no, what she must say, only for the need. You can say need the NHS say, who will be out my ya now so do the abadi or can say more Ebiana Kakra need fear or better me their poor. It's usually more Neman shed down co year on better my ear say at least yeah the way support or more be a fine. It's the best or more moon been on to me or any papa. Ablekumanov no your doors of a papa on to me and ma be our school. Oh, if you don't see me yet, see the best room. Ebiana or Chinebino, a bear, the Fufro be almost a mania on Faso. See, your domo, a bedomo nasi, Omunia. Now, a new corner, yet,
yes, about I can say the education factor now. Free education, no. A month for say, said the year, and another don't go for the Jan, one to say, and to serve you. Almost say this time around school, now, and near more school one way, Honorable, what you say?
Mamma, Kotumpu, make Canada. It's a senator, na Ushemwa, Yera, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the President of Ghana, Michiana, na Ejuma Oyan, Efata, and Mobi, Ezisa, and Yangu Agarim. intro Isremwa Senate dada no sa na eti nani education there yes education is the key nti John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ono so ni education ye man kwala nti enya ade a obeye ne basa kra ono podi niema fufuro esa ba be kan se ne be ankwala no ombe ihe ho asu ade se bi obebi ombeda ne omo school ko mo tro omo de ade suen na edane so pa nti bibia be kama bibia be kama.
Okay, honorable and Kofa, like the last one, and Kofa Moa Bukuma, addition Moa Bukuma North. Omungu Sunya Gidio, honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, who say, Obey near market said, and yes, school, no market said.
And when I make Obibia Wabba North, who never cost. Sebio, yet to about 2024, no. Now, in some Kakra North due to the election. Yeah, for the past 8 months, now the colleagues no more parliament. Ewurabena no fear. Or call for rerun and I don't know win here. It's Ushemwa, just some 2 months, 3 months spent on their call parliament. It's 3 months in body now or Kaya for Nanka. And there's a bad near Bruce. It's message one of no Bianya Kumapa. Na Ewurabena Aubynn the Obama Pia on Jimu Kronya this on your people on your CPP on your Piaronko. Na Oya Magana for any Ewurabena phone na. Okay, in Tisana Meka, Mauti as say, Yama Ewurabena Aubynn no by 2 months, 3 months, penny. Now, Udu come and cry to no Saha. Now, a government land for fund their government. And yet, and a month for the kiosk. It be mania to me, as you see that they renting go phone for so sebu. It be any. Now, Ewurabena Aubynn never on any Papa John Dramani Mahama. Or the Jumediabiaba said 24-hour markets, police station woman, hospital woman, and Yama baby. 2 shots I see where. Message so the camera never show. Yes. I see a government there, Sebio. Or cronim one na benya faso, and any papa. See, a bimponie, a benwa, a bimponie. Na Ewurabena Aubynn so and taking inputs biwo various electoral areas. Yakwa enya Ewurabena North ni ade a yakwa enye kra na Ewurabena Aubynn say or their tunu so bebo modia say before the terms end no na at least kwan kakra betimi support electorates no obey ni na the cars faso a ensentem nti ejuma de Ewurabena Aubynn no ejuma papa
me a minimum ka say Matina Blekuma North over 20 years. Yahu MP Sako, MP Saba, MP Sako, MP Saba. It is the first time I hear who Honorable Bia Yenuanum Niyema Ewi School Mbabeko SS. For the first time, or each and every student, over 300 students, and then Obia Enya chop box, Obia Enya mattress, Enya exercise books. It is the first time.
Yes, the end apostle has said no. Osha, a best now repeating the whole hour has said. I dare best now repeating one. I say, as best in the
and yeah, a dear a bay 9-day wonder. A son say, Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn, or Noankasano, or your educationist, or school. Now, near all ye, this is just, let me say, an upgrade of near what year actually, because the foundation, your friend Aula Foundation, a 2-year school fees, Emma. Sebi yenuanuma omuniska wa yes anya mani nyina na wabedru baby wabedri. So this is not going to be a 9-day wonder. Education as an educationalist, as a philanthropist, constituency nusu asem edana kuma super. This is not going to be a 9-day wonder. And then onankasa waka say afibia no enkwala bi ebe free mpeswa so ombe wie JHS a omoko SHS mu sene ya chance ye ne no ye beboa ti mefa fidie isu na ma sene ya muti sene ye ka no mefa fidie isu na ma make sa passionate appeal no to companies, to corporate Ghana, to NGOs, to individuals or more bibi kakra wo musem honorable eye bibi pa ebeboa adesua any school call ewa Blekumanov. It is a company we ankrankre na wo kakra. The doors of the Ula Foundation honorable Ewurabena Aubynn no is open. Obetumi aba no ne omo abetitu adwen na maka bom se na be ya ne eye afi yema 300. Who knows? If we get corporate Ghana, if we get individuals, companies coming in, next year is going to be 500 or 600 going forward.
Honorable Ewurabena Aubynn,
okay, so say past 28 years in MVP and all just 28 years. This is the first time NDC assembly and this the outpost I didn't see that. You can check your records, you can see that. And so it's historic. Remember the public man of that. I have more advice. Nipa Nagasana or again on Nagasano or educationist and our foundation SSANM at the center also. And you know, and yet more say, oh yes, yeah, it has been a lot of market. You know, basically on the honorable MC. They are doing well. Our partnership on the Ewurabena Constituency, in which I present a record so I yield good resource. I'm at the indigenous constituency.
Daddy, yes, I have next 3 years. I'm a year and a next 3 years, a year. Who would you say, honorable Aubynn? Obey me, Amma, my North Constituency to my actual point.
Oh, yes, sir. What shall I say that? And you is just one of it. I've spoken Malam market. I go and check. Yeah, because you are more than years. Malam market, yes. Because I'm going in this one. Oribabe school na diama market for no. She has done a lot. On me no ye. You understand? In Kenya, and she came for the people. Wow. This is just MP say I can say 3 months, but at least let us see from next year going. You know the oil on grounds. Right. I think so. I don't know why I'm mommy only personally. I am mommy and yeah, boy, and town of Nya to me because of the campaign we did for AN. Me finance Mankasa and you'll be like our more Broma. It's if you are coming young foundation, or like I said, maybe you are a resource that if you are no, mention her name. That is it.
But we say, put it our mattress, the dance and you because I don't even know what to say. It's beyond my imagination. I never expected her to do it, so I really appreciate it. Yeah, something like this happened. No, never. Nothing of this sort has ever happened before. This is the first time ever. Okay. Yes, and you're married in my pain. But without mattress, trying to exercise, and I think I really enough. Yes. Because I don't so why are they? At least now better so any the entire community. She has really tried. Yeah, orally. I'm not going to say, free education and another day by a few moody and the school die a basa. Near my old toes, so chain. So which year school is the same. Last year, my baba or a woman. It's the same. It being the count.
It's the same. This year, I work school. I'm a school fees. No, okay. No, I'm only young Cassicasem. I'm only young Cassicasem.
Mr. Mankwa, me offer was saying this cabane de any project. No, as to the be a me offer sika money or problem.
Enemremu. Namonte tap sending ka.
No so ne
Tap send ye easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chinese won't call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Or ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet woso. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atu susu nkakra enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana heiru
sa pepepe se si tap send that trainer shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no